Hey, I'm Anna. I'm a web developer here at Trimark Digital.
I'm Daniel. I'm a full-stack developer here at Trimark Digital.
My name is Eric, and today we're going to be discussing things to consider when building a new website. Before embarking on any new website project, one of the first things you should always consider is both your target audience and how you plan to service them. So, some things to ask yourself. Does your site need to accommodate an older or younger demographic? Is your end user technologically savvy, or are they familiar with your product or service? Do you simply intend to inform your audience, or are you driving them to perform a specific action? Knowing the answers to questions like these will not only help you identify those benchmarks that your site needs to reach, but it also aids you in setting the tone and tenor for your site's content, design, and structure.
Hey, I'm Anna. I'm a web developer here at Trimark Digital, and I'm here to talk to you about whenever you're ready, how do you actually build a website? What is the process, and what are your options for actually building it? When it comes down to it, there's about 3 different options that you can take. Your first option are site builders like Squarespace or Wix. These websites can be very fast and they can be very cheap to throw up a website, but the drawback is that they're typically pretty inflexible. You don't have a lot of control over your design or the functionality of the site, and without any real ability to scale, they're not a good option for most people. Your second option is a static website. Static websites are just plain files of code that are read by the server. They can be PHP, HTML and CSS, even whole websites built in JavaScript. These websites are a great option because they can be fast, reliable, and secure. Unfortunately, any change that you want to make to them, everything from adding new functionality to even changing a small typo, requires a web developer to do it. The last option is the one that I recommend for most clients, and that's a content management system like WordPress. WordPress is a great option because it empowers our clients to take control over their own websites. It allows them to update content, even add or remove pages. And with the advent of WordPress's newest update, Gutenberg, our clients and content writers are able to not only add pages, but rearrange whole layouts and sections of the website themselves, really giving them the power to get creative without the need of a web developer.
Oh, look, a new website. How do we get people to come visit this website? Hi, I'm Daniel. I'm a full-stack developer here at Trimark Digital. Now that you've got a website, you'll want to know how to bring people to your website and keep them there. To bring traffic to your website, you have a few options. Search engine optimization, or SEO, can allow you to rank more highly and prominently in search results. Or pay-per-click, also known as PPC, can help target users more directly through paid advertisements. Now, once a user lands on your page, first impressions are everything. A research study from Google found that if a site takes longer than 3 seconds to load, over half of all users will leave. Here are a few things that you can do to help improve the performance of your website. You can minify and compress your site's scripts and style sheets. Make sure that anything that isn't critical is deferred until a user actually needs to see and interact with it. And make sure that your images are properly sized and optimized. If you have any other questions about web development or any of our services, feel free to visit trimarkdigital.com. Thanks for watching.